Are you ready to take your plumbing or HVAC business to the next level? Here are 6 ways AI can help you work smarter. Number 1, smarter scheduling and dispatching. Number 2, 24/7 customer communication. Number 3, faster, more accurate estimates. Number 4, smarter marketing and lead generation. Number 5, predictive maintenance to keep customers happy. And number 6, AI-powered tools to detect leaks and clogs faster than ever. Want to see how each one works and how to use them in your business? Check out the full video now.